just right.
That's how we're doing it.
See, I put them in one side. The keyway holds the things together. Clecos, no, I don't know what they're Clecos. There's some other square ones on the back side. Holds it together, tack it in that area, tack this area. Had to use a razor blade to get that spot down there. And then I'll go around wherever it's flush, I'll weld. Like here's pretty close. That one's not enough because I got a scissor wheel all the way along the rest of the spots. And then I can keep on going and put these things back in. Made a template. Trying to hold the hood still while I cut the welds.